Now students, exercise 6.2. First question is that divide the following, right? In that a number is there 14x raised to 4 y raised to 5z by 7x square y cube. So we have to divide this polynomial by 7x square y cube. So what will become? We have to arrange like this way. So what will become? 7 2s are 14, that is cancel it out, so remaining is what? 2. Now we will deal with the variable x. So what will become? X 4 raised to, it is division, so we will go for the subtraction of the power. Now y raised to 5 is there and downside 3 is, so 5 minus 3 into z, only 1 is there, so we will not do anything else, right? So 2 x raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, y 5 minus 3 is equal to also 2, and z raised to 1 means z remain as it is. This is our final answer. Now b number 20x raised to 8 y raised to 6 7 raised to 3 by we have to divide 4x cube by y cube and z. Nothing is there means 1 is there. First we have to arrange like this way, right? So what will become? 4 5 is the 20, so 5 is there. Now we will subtract the powers, same power. X raised to upside 8 is there and in denominator 3 is there, so we are going to for the subtraction of the power. Now y raised to 6 minus 3 and z raised to 3 minus nothing is there means 1 is there. So our answer will be 5. X 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Y raised to 6 minus 3 is equal to 2 and z 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is our final answer. Here 6 minus 3 is equal to what, students? 3 will come, right? So 5x 5 raised to 5 y raised to cube and z raised to square is our final answer. Now C number minus 10 105 a raised to 9 and b raised to 7 is get. We have to divide it by 5 a 6 and b raised to 4. So 5 is that 105, so 5 20 1s are 105, so we'll get minus 21. Now we will solve these variables. So a raised to upside 9 is there, so 9 minus 6 and b raised to what is given? 7 minus 4, so it will become minus 21. A raised to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and b 7 minus 4 is equal to also 3, so b raised to 3 will come. This is our answer. Now D number 152 a square b cube c raised to 4 minus 8 b square c square is given, right? So what we will do? 8 19s are, if you remember, if 8 19s are 152, but here minus is there, so we get minus answer minus 19. A raised to 2 because downside a is not there, so remain as it is. B raised to 3 minus 2 and c raised to 4 minus 2. Here nothing is there means we can put a dot also or we can put the multiplication sign also. So is equal to minus 19 a raised to a square b raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to what? So we do not write 1 but remain as it is. C 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. That is our answer. Now E number. So here minus also will be cancelled out and 11 8s are 88. So our answer will be 8. Now P raised to 4 minus 2, Q raised to 5 minus 3 and R square remain as it is, right? So 8 P 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, Q raised to 5 minus 3 is equal to also square and R raised to 2 is there only. That is our final answer. Now F number 13 with the 78 8, so 13 6 are 78, so we will cut it out by 6. P raised to 10 minus 6, Q raised to 7 minus 3 and R raised to 6 minus 2. So we can write minus 6 P raised to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, Q raised to 7 minus 3 is equal to also 4 and R raised to 6 minus 2 is equal to also 4. So that is our final answer. Similarly, students, question 2 is given. Simplify. 160 x raised to 11 y raised to 9 z raised to 4 u raised to 3 divided by 4x raised to 5 y raised to q z raised to 1 and u raised to also 2, right? So now we have to divide by 160 by 4, so 4 4s are 16 and 1 0 will come, it become 40. Now x raised to 11 minus 5 y raised to 9 minus 3 z raised to 4 minus 1 and u raised to 3 minus 2. We have to just simplify this taking the like terms only. Okay, so 40 x 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, y raised to 9 minus 3 is equal to 3, z minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and u 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, right? Like this way you will get the answer. We can write 40 x raised to 6, y raised to 3, z cube and u as it is. Similarly, b is given, so 16 6 are 96, so we will get minus 6. Now x raised to 4 minus 2, right? Y raised to 3 minus 1, z raised to 2 minus 1. We are just going the subtraction of the power only. Why? Because the division form is given. So minus 6 x raised to 2 y square and z raised to 1. So we write z only. So this is our final answer. Now 5. First minus minus will be cancelled it out. 5 25s is 125. So 25 will come in a positive. So a raised to 5 minus 2, b raised to 4 minus 2, c raised to 2 minus 1 and d raised to 3 minus 1. So it becomes 25. A raised to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And d 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we will get answer 25 a cube b square c in d square. Like this way we will get the answer. So here what will come? 2. We have to divide it by 8. 82 divided by 2, so become 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are, so we'll get 41. A raised to 8 and 4 is there, so 8 minus 4. B raised to 8 minus 5 and c raised to 8 minus 3. So what we will get? 41 remain as it is. A raised to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. B raised to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and c 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So what will be our answer? 41, a raised to 4, b raised to 3 and c raised to 5 will be our answer. Like this way we have completed exercise 6.2 also.